Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a factory reset on Jethro's new 4G SC490 phone. A factory reset is going to be really great for when you want to restore your phone back to its original settings when it first left the factory. Now let's get into this video. To do a factory reset, you'll first press the menu button in the upper left corner. Then you'll scroll to the right until you get to Settings. Press OK. You'll scroll down to the 9th option called System. You'll scroll down again to Reset Options. Scroll down again until you get to Erase All Data, also called a factory reset. Here you will agree to remove all of your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all other user data. And here you will agree to erase everything, so make sure you have all of your important data backed up. Now it's going to erase everything off of your phone and restore it back to the way that it was when it first left the factory. It's going to restart and your phone will be reset. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, giveaways, and other fun things. I've also included the link in the description below to our affordable, flexible, and reliable Jethro mobile plans, starting at just $5 a month, so don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching.